Hey my friends, welcome or welcome back. Thai Shenanigans here with another one. Today I'm gonna cook up some steak, some little steaky like this. I'm gonna cook these up in my cast iron pan over here. I'm just gonna cook them with some onions and stuff. No gravy, just saute them, I guess. And I don't know what sides I'm gonna make, but come on along. Let's make these. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. I have some new subscribers that I want to thank. My old subscribers, you always know I'm thanking you. The new ones are going to become old ones. I appreciate all of you. My future ones, let's go. Come on in here. Let's cook these steaks. First, we're going to cut up this onion. We're going to cut that onion up. We're going to cut this onion up and put it in the pot and get it ready for cooking. Talk to me, people. Tell me, what are we cooking for dinner tonight? I need ideas. We can help one another out with the cooking thing. Join a cooking club. You tell me what you cooking. I'll help you with it. I can tell you what I'm cooking. You can help me with it. That's how we build this community that we have here. So I'm going to rinse this off. I'm going to cut it up. We're going to have steak and onion. I might cut another onion because we like a lot of onion. Today was a good day for me. I went to the senior center. I painted. You know, we do sip and paint. And it was a good day. A lot of people exercise. Now I'm home cooking dinner. Getting ready for my book study. So, thank you for coming along on my journey. We're gonna cook up this onion and make it nice and good with these steaks here. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put in these steaks. Y'all think that's enough onion? Let's cut the rest. All right. We all done. I'm cutting up the onion. So we're going to set this aside. We're going to season these steaks. Let's see. We definitely going to use some meat tenderizer because we want to tenderize these steaks some because we don't want them tough. All right? Nice and juicy steaks. I don't know what I'm going to have with it. I just don't know. We're going to put some garlic and herb. Onion. And Tone Brothers, the beef seasoning. Let's see. This is new. Not much. I want to pour a little Worcestershire sauce on them. A little bit. We're gonna do both sides of these little steakies. Seasoned salt. Not seasoned. Meat tenderizer. The garlic and the herb. Beef chief. And some Worcestershire sauce. There we go. We got our seasonings. We're cutting on the stove. We're gonna try to get our pot hot before we put our onions in there. We're gonna get some of this lovely country crop. We're gonna let that get hot. We're gonna throw in the onion. We're gonna throw in our onion. Once this gets good and melted. Do you guys think I use a lot of this stuff? Tell me. Because I think I use just enough. So, tell me if y'all think I use too much. Onion going in. Comment below and tell me how you guys' day went today. Did you have a good day? Was it a long day? Was it a productive day? Mine was a very productive, long day. So, chat with me. You know, I'm thinking about doing a live question and answer. What you guys think? I need more subscribers to do that, I think. You know, I'm working on getting my subscribers up, so we can get more community base. You can help me out. We're gonna lay the steaks right on top of them onions. Yep. Now we're gonna let them cook down, and we'll come back for an update on how they doing in the pot here. Update on the steak and onion. These are done. These are definitely done. So I just wanted to show y'all how they look, because I'm not going to taste test them because I don't have no sides. But I just wanted to show you how I made these little steak thingies tonight. And I taste it. I'll cut a piece and I'll taste it and I'll show you. Come with the tasting. Steak. Just a little piece, just to taste it, to show y'all that it's good and tender. So, very short video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and comment. Come back for more. Just steak. It's good. And it's tender. So, tender, delicious steak. Easy to make. Quick. Now that was quick, easy, and fast. So, thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, like I said, thumbs up. Come back for the next one. Thank you.